All right, we're going to try to show some accuracy with you guys here with the 317. We're going to be shooting this from right where I'm standing. This is 30 yards to the left plate. So we're going to go ahead and take a shot at the left plate and see if we can actually hit it from this distance. We're going to go single action on this. All right, so there you go, guys. That's 7 out of 8, 30 yards at a 10-inch plate. Not too bad. Accuracy is probably as much as you can shoot. Now we're going to shoot 30 yards with the Ruger SP101 and see the difference here. Ah, that was my fault. I didn't do that great, but okay, your turn. Let's have you shoot here. All right, DTM's gonna try to shoot the 30 yards, single action. Go for it. Squeeze it. Low and right. I didn't see where that one went. Take your time. Aim small, miss small. Nice. Excellent. Sweet. Good job.
Got
3 out of 7, 3 out of 8. That's all right. That's a tough gun to shoot.
I'm keeping my hand steady.
Well, it's a really light gun, and because of that, it doesn't feel as stable in your hand. Mm-hmm. And then combine that with I guess the single action is not a bad trigger pull at all on that, but just the fact that it has a short sight radius, as well as it's a really light gun, it's just hard to keep it stable. Mm-hmm. Should we try the Ruger? Let's do it.
Pocket back.
Yeah. So right off the bat, you notice that one's so much heavier, right? So let's see if that helps you shoot it better at 30 yards. High. Nice. High. You're shooting high, it seems like, with this one. Excellent. What was that, 4 out of 8?
I think so.
4 or 5 out of 8. We'll annotate. Yeah. So, what did you think? Was it easier to shoot that?
They're pretty close to the same.
Okay.
Might be a little easier.
Just because it doesn't wiggle around as much, huh?
Yeah.
Seems like you're a little bit more stable. That's what weight does for you in a revolver like this. Cool. All right, Alright guys, coming at you with a little review of the Smith & Wesson Model 317-3 kit gun. This is kind of an interesting little revolver that I've had for about 5 months now, and I figured I had enough trigger time behind it to give you guys a little review. But before I jump into the review, I need to give you a little bit of background on this particular gun. I purchased this from an individual used. He said that it had about 100 rounds through it.